Lily, did you eat these cookies last night?
No, I only came downstairs to drink water.
Then why are these cookies covered with bite marks?
I didn't touch them, I promise.
You were the only one downstairs
Please,
last night.
believe me.
Let's give her a little time to calm down.
We'll talk to her later. We'll leave these here for breakfast tomorrow.
Everything is cleaned up tonight. Let's rest now.
Can I eat cookies tomorrow?
It's time for bed.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Good night, little princess.
I want some water.
Lily?
I'm going downstairs for water.
Drink your water, then go right back to bed.
Yes, Dad.
What happened here?
What's wrong?
Look. The food has been eaten.
Last night, I remember everything was neatly put away.
I'm sure it was.
Last night, I saw Lily go downstairs.
Lily went to the kitchen?
She said she was getting some water.
Could she have had a midnight snack and been afraid to tell us?
Let's not say anything yet. Let's see how she acts first.
Mom! Dad! I'm awake! Why are you looking at me like that? It's nothing, sweetheart.
You went downstairs for water last night, right?
Yes, I was thirsty.
Did you eat anything?
No, I only drank water.
All right, have your breakfast.
Are you mad at me?
No. We're just thinking about something.
Why are the cookies like this? I'd like to know that too.
Maybe we should pay closer attention tonight.
I'm thirsty again.
Not again.
The food has been eaten again?
Yes. This time it's even worse than yesterday.
Lily went downstairs again last night.
Then who else could it be?
Good morning, Mom. Dad. What's wrong?
You went to the kitchen again last night, didn't you?
Yes. I went downstairs for water.
Then why has the food been eaten again?
I don't know.
Lily, I won't be upset if you were hungry. But you have to tell the truth.
I really didn't eat anything.
I've found food scattered around for 2 mornings now.
But it wasn't me.
You went downstairs both nights. We just want you to be honest.
I am telling the truth. Why don't Mom and Dad believe me? I have to find out who did this. Who's there? A mouse. Dad! Mom! There's a mouse in the kitchen!
Where's the mouse?
In the kitchen! It's eating the cookies!
Let's go check. Oh my goodness! It really is a mouse!
So it wasn't Lily.
I told you it wasn't me.
Lily, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too. We blamed you unfairly.
I was so sad.
Mom and Dad were wrong.
But first, we need to deal with that mouse.
Tomorrow morning, we'll catch it.
I want to help too.
You can, but we'll do it carefully. Tomorrow, we'll definitely find it. Today, we're definitely gonna catch it.
Everyone, be careful.
Yesterday, I saw it run into that corner.
There it goes.
Block the other side.
It's under there. Over there. It got away.
It's still somewhere in the house.
I've never chased a mouse that fast before.
Maybe we can't catch it by ourselves.
I think you're right. I give up.
That mouse is smarter than we thought.
What should we do now?
Maybe we should call someone who catches mice.
You're right. I'll call Mr. Sam.
Can he really catch it?
Hello. Thank you for coming.
Please come in.
Hello, Mr. Sam.
Hello, Lily. You're the first one who saw the mouse, aren't you?
Yes.
Do you remember which direction it usually runs?
It usually runs into the corner near the refrigerator.
That's very important information.
There really is a little guest living here.
Can you catch it?
Yes, but from now on, everyone should stay still and let me handle it. We'll have this little guest out of your house very soon. Now I'd like everyone to wait in the living room.
If someone stays in the kitchen, it won't come out. All right, let's go.
Will the mouse really come out?
As long as we're patient.
We caught it!
We did it. The little mouse is safe.
Where will you take it?
I'll take it to a place far away from residential areas and release it back into nature.
That's great!
Thank you so much. I'm glad I could help your family.
Lily, I'm sorry for blaming you unfairly.
I'm sorry too. I should have believed you.
Next time, I'll make sure I understand what really happened before jumping to conclusions.
I will too. I know you were only worried about me.
Now we can finally enjoy the breakfast we missed.
I don't think anyone will be sneaking snacks this time.